How to change DNS server on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your DNS server on Windows 11. Now, the step is quite simple. First, head over to your Start menu, and once on Start, you'll find the Settings option. If you can't find one, you can always search it on the search bar. Now, go to Settings, and on the left hand side of Settings, you'll find the list of options. Now, go to Network and Internet. And once you are sure that you are on network and internet, go ahead, and if you want to change your Wi-Fi DNS server, you can change it by clicking on Wi-Fi, or if you want to change it to Ethernet, you have to simply go to Ethernet. Now, since I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I'll go into Wi-Fi, and here, now, go into the connected Wi-Fi, and once this opens up, if you scroll down, you'll find the option DNS server assignment on your screen. And on the right hand side, you'll find the option to edit it. Now click on edit, and it's always on automatic by default, so you can change it to manual. And once you change it to manual, you'll get this option, the IPv4 and IPv6. Now toggle on this IPv4 switch, and once you toggle this on, you'll get the option to type in your DNS, preferred DNS and the alternate DNS. Now you can always use the Google DNS server or any others that you want. Now once you type it in here, now simply click on save and your DNS server will be changed. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.